Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the technical analysis of the S&P 500 and the triple Qs. These two major indices are approaching key levels, and understanding these could be crucial for your trading strategy. So let's break it all down. Let's start with the S&P 500. The market is currently in an ascending channel, which has been a strong indicator of the bullish momentum we've seen this year. The first level to watch is 570.80. If the S&P can break above this level, we could see a move towards 581.36, which is the upper boundary of the channel. On the downside, keep an eye on 550.28. A pullback to this level could present a great buying opportunity, especially if it holds as support. Below that, the next key support is 538.52. A break below this could indicate a shift in trend and might be a signal to go short. Consider going long on a pullback to 550.28 or on a breakout above 570.80. However, if we break below 538.52, that could be a good time to consider short positions. Now, let's shift our focus to the weekly chart, where we see a well-formed cup and handle pattern. Cup and handle formation. This is a classic bullish continuation pattern, suggesting that the long-term trend remains upward. Measured move target of 580.54. If this pattern completes, we could see the S&P 500 moving towards the measured target of 580.54, which aligns closely with the resistance levels we discussed on the daily chart. The confluence of these technical indicators across different timeframes adds weight to the bullish case. But as always, it's important to stay vigilant and watch how the price reacts around these key levels. To wrap up, the S&P 500 is currently in a strong position, but it's nearing critical resistance levels. Whether you're day trading or investing for the long term, keeping an eye on these technical levels could provide valuable insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth market analysis. I know this is a SPY stock analysis, but I wanted to share with you that our members booked 260% gain on our Amazon 175 calls, and we'd love to share the next 5-bagger with all of you guys. Now, let's move on to the QQQ, which represents the Nasdaq 100. The first level to monitor is 495.77. If the QQQ can clear this resistance, we could be heading towards the 503.82 level, which would be a significant area to take profits. For support, watch 472.04. This level has been a strong area of buying interest. Below that, we have 466.58, which could act as the last line of defense before a more significant drop. Similar to the S&P 500, consider going long if the QQQ pulls back to 472.04 or breaks above 495.77. If it falls below 466.58, that might be the time to consider shorting the index, 495.77, the first resistance level to test, where a breakout could lead to a retest of all-time highs. 503.82. The upper boundary, a potential area for taking profits if reached. Support levels, 472.04, a crucial support where bulls might step in to buy. 466.58, a lower support level, where further weakness could lead to additional downside. Trade strategy, go long, on a pullback to 472.04, or on a breakout above 495.77. Go short, if the price falls below 466.58, targeting the next support level below. Both the S&P 500 and QQQ are showing strong bullish momentum, but are approaching key resistance levels. Careful monitoring of these levels and understanding where to enter and exit trades will be crucial in the coming days. Both the S&P 500 and the QQQ are in critical zones right now, and understanding these levels can help you make informed trading decisions. If you're looking to capitalize on these moves, keep these levels in mind and always trade with a plan. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next market update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another stock or index you'd like us to analyze. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on your favorite stocks. Let us know in the comments what you think about Tesla's future and where you see the stock heading next. So let's make some money this week and see you in the next video.